Hey everyone, and welcome. This week's recipe review is a maple glazed pork tenderloin with apples from Amy Casey Cooks. This 30-minute dinner features seared and roasted pork, a sweet maple glaze, and tender sautéed apples. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this recipe was surprisingly easy to make. When I came across it, I knew I wanted to try it because I've had pork tenderloin with apples before, and they are a great combination. The tenderloins that I used here weighed a little over 2½ pounds, so after searing them in the pan, I had to roast them for 20 minutes for them to come up to the proper temperature. For the apples, I used Pink Lady ones, and along with the pure maple syrup, the glaze looked and smelled incredible. Everything looked fantastic, so it was time to just dive in for the taste test. When I cut into the tenderloin, it was very tender, and it tasted outstanding. I could tell right away that I should have used more seasoning because pork tenderloin benefits from it. But as is, it was very, very good. The glaze on top was also very tasty with the sweetness from the maple syrup combined with the tanginess of the cider vinegar and Dijon mustard. It worked together perfectly. It was so good I had to go in for another bite. This time I could taste more of the sage and it was delicious, it just needed more of it. Now I was ready to try some of the apple. It was nice and fork tender. The natural sweetness of the Pink Lady apple also paired wonderfully with the maple glaze. This is a 1,000-star recipe. Everything worked together very well and definitely had fall vibes. It's an impressive looking dish that's fairly easy to make. We will make this again and I highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have a recipe that you would like me to review, be sure to leave the link in the comments below. Also, feel free to check out my other recipe reviews.